Are you thinking about the online teaching? But you don't have any laptop or PC? Then how? It can be possible to teach without a laptop. Today I'll told you that how you can teach in an effective way by just using your Android phone. You just have to install some free apps which will make your teaching skills better. Let's start. The first app that you have to install is ADC Screen Recorder. It is available on Play Store. After installation you just have to simply open the app. Now some settings you have to done. For this you have to tap 3 dots at the top right corner. Now you have to simply open the settings option. You have to open show 3-second countdown. It will give you the 3-second timer before starting recording. Now you have to turn on the overlay settings. Next is the resolution. The quality of the screen recording will depend on the video resolution, so you can select the resolution that you required. The good one is to select the use screen. Now you have to open record audio. Here if you want to add your voice with the recording. Then select microphone. Because I'm not recording the audio so I select no audio. Video orientation should be on auto mode. Now as you want to add a fascicum in the video then you can turn on the use camera option. By just tap on the plus button you will get a floating button. When you tap on it, first button is to start the recording. Second to show your recordings. Third is to open the front camera which will be shown in a small window at corner. Last button is to choose the pen for writing on the screen. Now you just have to open PDF file of your notes. One thing you have to remember that it should be in landscape mode. Now tap on the floating button to start the recording. Here you will get 3-second timer after that recording will start. Scroll your notes and screen will be recorded. Now tap on the pen to write on screen. There is the option for remove the pen. You can change the pen color from the top of screen. You can write easily on the screen and remove it. As your video completed then again tap on floating button and tap on stop the recording. As you stop the recording you will get a notification where you can trim the unwanted part of your video. After that to reduce the size of your recorded video, you just have to open Play Store and type video compressor. Now select the app Video to MP3 Converter. Now simply install this app. The link of all apps is in the description. You can hide the floating button by simply drag it to the cancel at bottom of screen. After installation, you simply have to open the app. Allow for some permissions. Now back and quit from the Premiere version. Select the trim and compress. Now simply you have to select your recorded file. Here you can see the resolution of video and can change. As 480p is the best, so you have to select this one. It will give you the better video quality under small size of video. Tap on the right corner on screen and select Save to Gallery. It will take some time to compress the video. You can select the background compress. Here you can see the reduced size of the video. It is very low compared to the original but the quality of video does not more affected. Link of the all apps are in the description, so you can check out there. These videos can be used on various platforms like YouTube, WhatsApp, Telegram and many more. Now if you like the video then hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you can get updates about our new videos.